All right, so Nina, you're gonna lie down on the mat and center yourself on the mat. Because we're beginners, she always starts lying down. All right, bend your knees into your chest, curl your chin to your chest, look at your abs. For the 100, extend your hands 6 inches above your thighs, squeeze your inner thighs together and begin vigorously pumping. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, Nina, if you feel comfortable here and you can keep your head lifted, I want you to reach your legs out to a high diagonal, not 45 because we're in beginner. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, hands on. I put my hand here and I'll lift her upper body a little bit more here. Squeeze your inner thighs together. Good. Make sure you're keeping your turn out. Inhale. Exhale. Last one. Inhale. Exhale. Great job, Nina. Bend your knees into your chest. Rest your head, neck, and shoulders on the mat. Okay. Place your hands behind your thighs and roll up into a seated position. Beginners always use a strap. Place your feet into the black strap. Flexing your feet, legs are together. Okay, now I want you to lie down onto the mat. For a roll down, roll up, roll up. Place your arms up, palms facing the ceiling. Good. On the inhale, curl your chin to your chest. On the exhale, roll up and over, reaching past your toes, pushing your low back into my hands here. Good. Now keep this shape. On the inhale, roll it back. On the exhale, tuck your tailbone, try to get your low back onto the mat, make your butt disappear. Good. Let's do that again. Inhale, curl your chin to your chest. Exhale, roll up and over. Pull your stomach away from my hands here. Now soften your shoulders. Inhale, maintain that shape. Exhale, tuck that tailbone. Roll, 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 roll. Good. 2 more. Inhale, roll up and over. Reach past, elongate. Pull the crown of your head towards me. Exhale. Inhale, begin to roll back. Exhale, tuck that tail and go. Last one. Inhale. Exhale. Soften. Inhale, exhale, roll down. Good, place your hands down by your side for one leg circles. Bend your right knee into your chest, give yourself a hug. Place your hands down by your side, bring your leg up to the sky. Now, you're gonna bring your leg in towards you first, across your body, circling down, around, and back up. Don't use the word down. Across, circle around, and up. Good. Now, think of stabilizing this opposite hip as you move this leg. Give me one more in this direction, and then we're gonna reverse directions. Come out, circle around and up. Good, really focus on the up here. Pull up through your core. 2 more. Last one. Good, bend your knee into your chest and give yourself a hug. Place that foot underneath the strap. Bend your opposite knee. Give yourself a hug, soften your neck here. Yeah, there you go. Leg goes up to the sky, hands down by your side. Now, we're gonna come across your body again, circle down, around, and up. Now, can you push your upper arms into the mat a little bit more and elongate your fingers, reach towards your toes. 1 more here. Pause here, reverse directions. Focusing on stabilizing the opposite hip, deepen your abs in and up. 3, 2, 1. Good, Nina, bend this knee into your chest, move your other leg, bend that into your chest, and just hang out here for a sec. Place your hands behind your thigh. Let's roll up into a seated position for rolling like a ball. Okay, yep, butt towards your heels. Place your hands behind your thighs. Now, I want you to create a big capital C with your spine here. So we're lifted here, but we're elongating here. Good. Now, you're gonna lift your legs, hover hover here, rock back onto your tailbone, and then when you're ready, rock back down to the tips of your shoulder blades right there, then rock right back up. Good. Rock back to roll up. Good. Keep the space equal between your thighs and your chest, pulling your stomach away from your thighs every time you come back up. Rock back to rock up. Think of imprinting your spine onto the mat here. Pull through your core to lift up. Give me 1 more. Hold at the top, lower your feet down. Great job. Lie back down, center yourself on the mat for your ab series. For a single leg stretch, bend your knees into your chest. Curl your chin to your chest, look at your abs. Both hands go on your right shin. Left leg comes out to that high diagonal. Now pull that leg in and then switch legs. Good, and switch. Now let's focus on the breathing. Exhale, inhale, switch. Exhale, inhale, switch. Good. Now, really think of squeezing the butt cheek of the leg that's reaching. Yeah, and then go more tabletop. Better. Good. You're not kicking yourself in your butt there. Good. Give me 1 more on the opposite leg. And then bend your knees into your chest and relax. That's okay. No, you're good. I kind of like threw your legs down. Okay. Bend your knees back into your chest. Curl your chin to your chest. Look at your abdominals. Okay, go tabletop with your legs. 1 hand on each shin for double leg stretch. On the exhale, you're gonna pull your knees in towards your face. On the inhale, shoot out like an arrow. Arms come behind you, stay lifted. Exhale, circle down, around, and reach. Good. Inhale, shoot out. Exhale, circle down, around. Now stay that lifted right there. Inhale, shoot out, don't lie down. Better. Exhale, circle down and around. 2 more. Inhale. Exhale, pull your stomach away from your thighs. Inhale. Exhale, rest your head, neck, and shoulders onto the mat. Last one. Scissors, both legs go up to the sky. Walk your hands up your right leg. Curl your chin to your chest, round up. Walk your hands up. Good. Left leg comes out to that high diagonal. Now, we're going to pulse this leg in towards our body. Pulse, pulse, switch. Pulse, pulse, switch. Now, the pulses are more like you deepening your abs down into the mat. Good. Now, soften your shoulders, elongate your chin. Beautiful. 4, 3, 2. Good job, Nina. Give me one more on each leg. Last one. Yes. And then bend your knees and lie down. Place your hands behind your thighs. Rock up to a seated position for spine stretch forward. All right. Open your legs the width of the mat, flexing your feet. You're going to place your spine up against my leg, connecting everything, even your head. Now, my hand is on top of your head. On the up, bring your arms up in front of your chest, palms facing down. On the inhale, grow taller into my hand. And then on the exhale, roll forward, keeping your low back connected to my leg. Push your low back in. Good. Inhale, begin to stack your spine, 1 vertebra at a time. Exhale, relax. Good. Inhale, grow taller. Exhale, roll forward. Reach past those toes. Inhale, come back. Keep your head down all the way to the last second. Head comes up last. 2 more. Inhale. Exhale, roll forward, pulling your stomach away from your thighs. Inhale, come back. Exhale, pull your armpits to your hips. Keep them reaching towards your hips. Inhale, grow taller. Exhale, roll forward. Inhale, grow taller. Exhale, relax. Good. Now, bring your arms up to a T position, but I want you to see your peripherals in your arms for saw. Nina, you're going to turn towards the window, dive your pinky finger towards your pinky toe, and then I want you to reach, and I'm going to give you a little stretch here. So it's about opening your chest. Reach, reach, reach. Come up in that twist. Come center. Twist. I'm going to hold your hip down. Reach, and then open here, here, here. Come center. And twist. And reach, reach, reach. Come center. Good. Flip your palm the other way. Okay, sorry. Yeah, no, you're good. Reach, reach, reach. Good. Come center. Give me one more in each direction. Twisting from your core, keeping your feet flexed here. Pull your stomach in and up, and come center. Last one. Good. Twist. Reach, reach, reach. Come up in that twist. Come center. Place your hands by your side. Bring your legs together. Let's go to the reformer. And then she's required to wipe down her mat before you move to the reformer.